Picture this. You're relaxing on a sunny beach in Portugal, when suddenly the sky darkens, and a massive barrel-shaped cloud begins rolling across the sea, like a giant sky tsunami, heading straight toward the shore. This isn't a sci-fi movie scene. It happened for real on June 29, 2025, along Portugal's northern and central coast. A rare weather event stunned beachgoers, with a roll cloud stretching across the horizon, quiet, smooth, and completely surreal. People froze in awe. Some ran to film it. Others thought it was the start of a storm or worse, a natural disaster. But this wasn't a threat, just nature putting on one of its rarest performances. So, what is a roll cloud? It's a horizontal, tube-shaped cloud that rolls along its horizontal axis, formed when cold, dense air undercuts warm, moist air, especially over the ocean, where temperature differences are extreme. It creates a rolling motion in the atmosphere, like a sky wave. But here's what made this even more dramatic. The roll cloud formed after Portugal hit a scorching 46 degrees Celsius. Yes, one of the hottest temperatures ever recorded there. And when that hot air hit the cool ocean breeze, boom, nature clashed, and this cloud was born. It didn't bring rain. No lightning, no thunder, just a moving masterpiece of air and moisture. To many, it looked like a tsunami, but it was peaceful, calmly gliding over the beach and fading as silently as it appeared. It's not every day you see the sky roll like the ocean, but for Portugal, that day was unforgettable. And now, thanks to viral videos, the world has witnessed one of nature's rarest and most beautiful illusions.